everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video, we are doing a eye look and I'm going to be using the NYX Ultimate Edit palette, the Phoenix palette. I'm not going to do a review. Well, I am kind of going to do a review, but I'm also going to use the Sultry palette because this one just doesn't have all the colors I want to use in it. And I'm not sure yet what I'm going to call this look until I get it done. So, let's get started. I'm going to start off with the Sultry palette. Actually, I'm going to start off with my Essence Eye Base in its I Love Color Eye Base. I need to get another one. It's getting low because I use it every time I put makeup on. I would say every day, but I don't put makeup on every day. So, I'm going to put that on, and then I'm going to spread it around with my sponge. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Sultry palette. I'm going to use my Morphe 505. Okay, I'm going to go in with, actually, first I'm going to go in with, not the Morphe 505, this is just the Walmart brush. And I'm going to go in with the Fresh, the lightest color in the palette, and just set that eye base I just put on real quick. I'm going to take my 505 and I'm going to go into Twig, which is right here, and it is going to be my transition color. Pretty dark. Well, too late now. See if I can take this color and tone it down a little, because that was a little darker than I wanted it to be. Alright, now I'm going to go into the color Dystopia, this dark brown right here. And I'm going to put that in the outer corner. I'm going to go in very lightly and just put it in this outer V. Now, I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to go into the NYX palette and I'm going to go into this red color right here. And I'm just going to put this right here. What do you think? I think it needs to be darker in the outer corner. That brown. I like the red though. Now I'm going to go in to, I'm going to use my Creaseless from Tarte. I use this to do my cut crease because it is a little wetter and it doesn't dry down as quickly or as harshly as my other concealers, and so I can have a little more time to add. And I'm just going to take it right off the wand with this brush and add it to the center. Got all these brushes in my way. And I'm not actually doing the cut crease, I just want this to make my next color show up better. And blend into that red. And I'm going to go into this Cyborg silver color right here. And just pack that right on top of that. Concealer. I like it. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty. I'll fix this up with some concealer on that brown that kind of went haywire. But I think it's pretty. So now I am going to go into eyeliner. That's what we gotta do, eyeliner. And we're gonna do black because I think it's called for. Well, maybe not, because I used brown. We'll use brown. What the heck? And I'm gonna push line and then line with this. So now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna put a line. That matches that brown so good you can almost not see it. Okay guys, I'm going to go off camera and do my lashes and I will be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I still don't know what I'm going to call this. Pink smoky eye? I don't know. Anyways, I think it turned out pretty good. It's interesting. What do you guys think? Leave it in the comments below. Is it too much? Let me know. Okay, so this is it. This is it. All I did when I went off camera was add mascara. I used my L'Oreal Lash Boss and the Cils Lancome Cils eyelash booster. It's a primer for your eyelashes. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Share this on all your social media. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!